Sasa unaona unakagripa ile. Unaona unakabati ile, unaona rogoro wapi? Mankind easy.
Tamse, sasa unako shiri rogoro. Wapa futhi.
Ndo wazi.
Ochiwi.
Wazi simda.
Tutu zinangoma. Ochiwi kwama. Tutu, chiku chikunetsa. Chikunetsa. Zima radio. Zima radio.
Alright, Magminox, it's a brand.
Yes, it's a brand.
And this brand has been around. Yeah, Maclash.
You see, this is what used to happen in Maclash. Silverstone is the most selected. In a junior G, we are now Bangali selector, Mickey Mouse, number 2, Django Blade, Chip Bango, Nini Magminox, who's it MC and Smiley, Smiley, Judge Mason, Fox, Yellow Man, Laga D. Zeta Judge Tina, Pablo. Judge Tina, King Robbie, Agafa, King Robbie, who else? There's a couple of guys. Kenzo, Daddy Kenzo, I got selected. Daddy Kenzo, I got selected. The general Bernard, I got selected. Because the MC 50. Flavor. Pamona Flavor Napoleon. Flavor Napoleon, one MC Saga. Why crew here this is. I know reason, never know attention almost 20. But then one big family. Still one young guy never look at 3.
Then anyone happy stereo.
I'm gonna Jabi, Major E, Bugatti and Namiki Dread.
But does it make sense for a sound system to have
time move. Junior D can go
okay.
Django Meloeda Uchiloni. Wango Osara Marani. Same day. On the same day. Saturday.
So I'm a sound system.
No, I don't one sound system. And get based by use.
Okay.
But can I go in the out to win? Sound system. No phone. It's personal. Like who could branch out. We're like a tree. There was, my branches are not going to
exactly.
Some made it, some selected didn't make it, some made it.
Alright, what's the difference between a selector and an MC?
An MC talks on the mic.
Selector, I think what you call mix.
Nina, I'm a selector.
Then you go mix.
What about me? Nina, I'm a selector at the same time. What about me? I can select the music and pass it to you.
Okay.
So, half of the time, I never even play. I just select the music. While he's playing.
Yes, the fuck out.
So there's a very big difference. Tijanos selected. Saka wo selected ngangwe from Taiwan. Chikada hiyo. Yeah, it's no problem.
I'm going to be with the wheel, with the so most of the time,
Amchagwa mamona. Ndala mwenye wichitota. Yawo yana.
Sometimes I do. I came back over.
Zakarongeka.
Time yatakaridza marecord. Bongosi. Vakutotenga
I have to stand in
if you never clash with us, then you cannot clash with us. The only sound that I clash with the only sound studio on every because we gave him the right reason.
All right. Let's look at the beef. I understand this. Mafia 19.
I think there's no beef there. There was Mafia 19. Mafia 19 was Ricky Fire, Gaspi Wadi. Now, that was Mafia 19. But when they were over, but these were the main people in Mafia 19. But Mafia 19, Gaspi Wadi. Was Ricky Fire and Fire family.
So Mafia 19 it's a record.
Sort of.
They've got the record in studio.
That's a Dianingani Fire Colossal or something like that. So one thing a lot of people don't understand. Just like Anasekalas, Nanakila Tina, Batanga, separator. People think it's a beef. You grow up.
Yeah, it's a man.
Gauro plus you grow up.
You want to identify yourself.
Yes. No, you mean that I'm going to get out of the team. Mapeza chikoro ise school ngapenda mujigara muri but kana makuchaka basa muchaka saka right now with Killer T akugona semfana right
He's the man of talent.
He was always the man of the moment, but he was underrated.
Why was he underrated?
Killer T muna imba sinaonangana nemunhu but uzakuti kana achinga ndozotisonga yakanangana
Ideas you might
anodhisa but anodhisa smart. Smart. Zvokuti mimi munomuona akutaura kuti asikagezo ikinako when I separate from cheapers. But ukona munhu ari kuseparate apana kuti panzi pane beef. The promoter knows cheapers. Cheapers is what we call in English an asshole.
Why do you say that?
Because he is reaping what he never saw.
But he's a businessman who arrived opportunity.
He is not a businessman, he is a vulture. Inini ndazviurayira mhuka yangu. Kudya, handiti kana ndoda kutry kudya kufeeda kana vana vangu handina. Iye he comes, munoziva mavouchers akauya. Anouya achitidisturba zvatiri kuita. So isu takutotsvaga zvimwe zvekuita. Because of that guy. You know what I mean? He's doing nothing good for Zimbabwe. Nothing. He's doing nothing good for Zimbabwe. And I want you to make sure that
he's not doing anything for Zimbabwe.
no, he's not looking for talent.
But after money.
I'm kutora munhu ari pamusoro. Ari pamusoro chinogamisa pashow.
All right.
What about the ones that
All right. Is he meeting whatever contractual obligations anenge aripo? Vakapromisana nemagero youth kuti ndichakupai mari yakati. Ari kuvape.
ask hapo. You see, let me tell you what Cheapers does. Cheapers will put all the artists asat ataura now. Then these artists have to look for you to say, hey, Dara, ko makandisa pa poster mukunda uli pamari. And half of the time they don't agree. Do you understand? Half of the time they don't agree because we are going to support that. Cheapers, if you don't go to the show, I win because it's
But can't these youngsters take him?
But no more. Why? They are afraid of Chippers because they think Chippers is the promoter that is giving them that that mileage.
You can either make you or break you. Is that what you can?
No, you cannot make anybody because we made this schedules. Yo, Shamario. We made. So I am part of this that we made them. Because without me, Farai Shambari, Jabi, start time in the Mafia Superpower, in this school, Motsuruka, Dandaroka, we made them. We are the product, we are the root, we are the foundation. Chippers made something else that is nothing to do. He made money from somewhere through his business, but he's using money.
So how did it become involved?
Ethaton, they are going to Chippers
Ethaton, I guess.
Joa, I got manager, Jabi, Joa, but finance control about county numbers. Look at about 24, but our account that's Joe Agamira with yes, Agamira with she dance. So these guys wanted a finance. In Chippers, I got the purchase. Never one. They approached to finance. First, my show is should be in that position.
Where is she?
She's there, but the Baka blocker. Baka blocker. Like Chippers, because Chippers after City Sports, they say he signed a contract for 5 years. They put down on these certain dates of the year. No one could book that.
Is it the only venue?
For that day, that's the best venue. And Zimka Arari Shoka. And it's not his name. It's our brand.
It's your brand.
Yes.
Do you have any papers that can claim it?
Let me tell you in dancehall, I don't have no papers to claim my name is Mandi. But I have papers that to claim my name.
But can't you look at dancehall from the business perspective, whereby you have to do everything by the book? You know what I mean?
Chippers doesn't do nothing by the book. We do everything by the book because we enjoy what he's doing. Chippers doesn't enjoy what he's doing. He's enjoying the money. He's enjoying what comes out of it.
But is he paying the artist?
Probably out of maybe 10, 15 top artists, we might pay
3, 4, like what? That's
Winky D, I've noticed a poster.
Personal mind.
Personal contract. I don't
and how much does Winky ask?
About 3,000.
Plus one. Because with the other time was what they really 10,000.
No, it's 3,000.
3,000.
And Talkie Vibes, Chippers are going to damage Talkie Vibes career. Because Talkie Vibes are going to post. That's why you don't see Talkie Vibes at my shows at Chippers. Right. Sekalas, probably Sekalas make 1,000-2,000 if it's a cheaper shoe. Killer T is one of the guys. Chippers have wanted to destroy Killer T, but they die. Because Killer T, I got the promotion there. Killer T went back, so end up a show, but so after the show, I got to post and whatnot. I got to show right. But I got to go show. But I don't feel mad. I will involve with you. Makiti, I'm going to put out there. Makiti, Yanos McDonald, Makiti, MC. Okay. But how do teach you with us in dance? How is Sarashama?
Corruption.
Corruption. Why are you talking about corruption? I don't think you don't want. Wana riba msuru orang bar pamsuru.
Alright, kujala neza dance. But what about our Zim dance?
Zim dance
Can't
is
we
best
use it as a it's associated with tourism. If somebody wants to listen to Zim dance, they can come to Zimbabwe and listen to Zim dance. Yeah, Zim dance.
Akuna, but this is the problem, which there's people who are claiming that they own it.
Who wants Zim dance?
Right now, to go watch Chill Sport. Chill Sport, or I get out of the Chill Sport. And for to go music, I attended in Chill Sport, you not attended as a music. But even Uska Zikan, they will try by all means to go
All right. Okay. Let's talk about this recording studio. We've got so many of them these days. Almost every time where you go, there's a studio. Like one of our these backyard studios.
Who said this?
No, maybe
But let me tell you something. If a reporter like Fred Zimbi goes in the newspaper and says these are backyard studios, it's his own mind. He's trying to put down our studios. It's Fred Zimbi who said backyard. And I'm not afraid to say that. Because I told him I wanted to talk to him face to face. It's Fred Zimbi who reports in the newspaper. These are not backyard studios, these are studios.
Is Fred Zimbi an authority on Zim dance?
Right. Yeah, and Fred Zimbi Udara is a professor. Fred Zimbi was one of the people who made programs. He was one of the people angari Pama logistics of Malawi. Aswad, and UB40. You know what I mean?
He was one of my programs.
No, he was a connection because Munagambo got England. So these people wanted somebody that was Zimbabwe. And when I told him this thing is something to do with drugs,